Tune-ups are pretty simple nowadays as far as they're not as many parts to replace in a tune-up nowadays as there once was. It's mainly doing the spark plugs, service of the PCV system, which is kind of a lost thing with a lot of shops. The PCV system it's vital to your engine's internal breathing. If your PCV system plugs up, that means your engine builds up pressure inside internally, and it starts pushing air out of seals and places you don't want it pushing air and stuff out, and it can damage seals and cause you more repairs. So, and then what goes hand in hand with a tune-up is a full fuel injection service where you flush your fuel injectors. We will clean your throttle body, your intake, and valve train. And how we do that is we go through the throttle body and we run a decarbon cleaner that will actually remove carbon from the whole intake system. And that's followed up with a very super high quality fuel additive we put in there that you run out for your next tank of gas that will remove any possible remaining bits of carbon. I think the injection service usually helps more than anything else. But tune-ups are important. A lot of times people think, well, my car is running fine, I don't need a tune-up. But the spark plugs they wear, and what happens is they create higher resistance. So when you have high resistance in an electrical component, that means you're trying to force electricity and it's not wanting to go, so that electricity burns. So it burns up like ignition coils and other ignition components that wouldn't normally have a problem, but because you let the spark plugs go so long, it's causing you other problems in the long run. So whatever the manufacturer says on spark plugs, that's what we recommend.